guys, what's up? It's Stevie here, welcoming you all back to another video on my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a box break part 2. Last video, these cards here are what we got. So we got a Magic, Alan Christensen, we got a Cameron Guthrie Glow Popper and some other good cards over here. That's a lot of comments. But anyway, today we're going to be doing part 2. We're going to be opening these packets. And yeah, let's just get into it. So, first pack of this video. I'll try and open this one. So, I reckon this might be checklist in this one. I recommend, if you didn't see my last video on box break already, I recommend you go and have a look at that one. It'll have all the information of the cards in it, so I don't have to show them up again, but I will anyway. So that's what you get in the packs. We personally were hoping for that, but anyway. So we got a Dane Beams, a Cam McCarthy and a Matthew Cruiser comment. Got a Shern Burgoyne code there and a Hugh Goddard pop-up. So there's also got a Todd Goldstein comment, a Tom Lynch, Trent Cotchin and Elliot Yeo. So that's quite good. We're going to add these to this pile. The comments to the common pile, obviously. And the pop-up to the pop-up pile. So put those there. Okay, second pack. So this video I'm hoping to try and show off one of the new cards. So we got Matthew Cruiser again, Christian Salem, Luke Parker there, Cade Simpson, got the Angus Brayshaw pop-up, a Luke Shuey, Darcy Moore, Mark Bilkabs and a Jay Schultz. So we're going to split these up. I'm going to put them in piles like this. So I'll just leave the comments here. Anyway, it's pack number 3. Sorry guys, I'm being a bit slow. I'm going to try and be a bit quicker in the next few packs. So, we've got a Jack McRae, a Dane Beams and a Heath Steel comment. We've got a Luke Shuey code, silver code. We've also got a Gary Ablett Footy Flicks. So that's quite good. Scott Thompson comment, Tom Langdon, Drew Petrie and Matt Prittis. So add these to their pile. And there. Okay, pack number 4. So I'm not sure if it's pack number 4 actually, it might be pack number 5. So we've got a Harris Andrews, a Jeremy Cameron and a Bryce Gibbs. Okay, we've got a Chad Wingard silver code card. And a Mark Baldley pop-up. Got some more comments. Ben McAvoy, Lee Spur, Brendan Goddard and Ben Brown. So there we go. Okay, we've got 3 more packs to go. And we're opening 7 packs tonight, so this will be our 4th packet, I think. So we've got a Christian Salem, Luke Parker and Stephen May. Christian Salem, Luke Parker, Stephen May. We've also got a Harley Bennell silver code card and a Kale Hooker checklist. Got a Ben Reed, Joel Selwood, Brad Crouch, and the Cyril Rioli common there. So It's quite a good pack. I go for 3 mana, so I'm quite happy with that. So I'll put that there. Okay, this will be the second last pack of the video. So I'm hoping this is one of the new cards, which it's not gonna be. So we've got a Levi Casbot, Matthew Boyd, and a Josh Kennedy. It's also got a Taylor Walker Silver Code card and a Dom Tyson Footy pop-up, Stevie Johnson common, Sean Higgins, Brandon Ellis, and a Lockie Henderson. So that's quite a good pack. I'm quite happy with that. Tex Walker in Silver Code form. It's quite good. So this will be our last packet of the video. I'm really hoping it's gonna be one of the new cards, which is a Footy Power. This one's proving hard to open. I think it'll be a checklist. Actually, no, it might be our one of what we're hoping for. So we've got a Bernie Vince, a Nick Smith, and a Mitch Wallace. Got a Jager O'Meara Silver Code card. It's quite good. And yes, it is one of the new cards. It is a Footy Power. So they've got this on the front and this on the back. So we've got a Jay Schultz, Jared Rufford, Michael Johnson, and Joe Dano. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in part 3, which might be uploaded tomorrow. So I'll see you guys then. See ya.